that you? Sorry?
I think that's Rainbow Bridge.
That's not Rainbow Bridge. There's cars going across it.
Yeah.
So, see.
I'm assuming that's what it is. Bye, enjoy!
We must have out or something. Well, I'll walk through. Thank you very much.
I can see.
Oh, that's it. Look at that boat. Oh, how fast that boat goes down here.
We're going on a minute.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. used to the people, obviously.
Pardon?
He's used to all the people around
He's
him.
used to people. He's not used to people touching him.
Yeah.
The only person who can really touch him is me and his primary handler. That's about it. Yeah. He's a pretty good bird. He's pretty calm.
Does he fly over the...
When people aren't here, we'll let him do something called point flying. So from my fist to wherever he wants to fly and then back to my fist. And the point of that is to chase anything that might be settling in the trees, like other seagulls or any other kind of bird that might be bothering people.
Oh.
We've got water for this.
Is that the only bird you have? It's the only one we have?
Well, our company actually has about 23 of them at the Toronto Pearson Airport. That's where we're from normally. That's where we usually work. But we, different contracts. So we've got contracts up in Winnipeg, and then we've got some in Quebec as well. They have their own birds. We've got a lot of birds.
Does he have a name?
Wee Man.
Wee Man.
He's one of our smaller guys.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, cheers. Sorry?
How are you?
Oh, very well, thank you.
View of both the Canadian Horseshoe and American Falls. Combined water flow is estimated at over 750,000 gallons per second, which crash into the gorge below. Looking to the south, you'll see the Fallsview Casino and the Skylon Tower, with the Canadian Horseshoe Falls in the background. Further south, you'll see Marineland and their triple tower ride, the Sky Screamer. In the northerly direction, Casino Niagara is located across from the Rainbow Bridge, which joins Canada and the United States. Across the Rainbow Bridge lies Niagara Falls, New York, and the American Falls. Of course, the view to the east is of Niagara Falls, Ontario, and the surrounding region. The Skywheel was built by Chance Morgan Rides in Wichita, Kansas. Construction of the wheel took over 6 months, requiring a workforce of 200 people in order to complete the project for its opening in June of 2006. The wheel stands 53 meters tall and is equipped with 42 climate-controlled gondolas, which were designed and built in Switzerland. The speed of the wheel is set at approximately 4.5 kilometers per hour. which allows a perfect opportunity to sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Excluding loading and unloading, a full ride cycle of 3 revolutions has an approximate duration of 8 minutes. The windows have been developed to minimize the glare of the sun and allow for great picture opportunities. Enjoy your ride on the Niagara Skywheel.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I haven't cut any sausage. Right. I haven't got anything and I haven't sausage. No, I haven't. I suppose people must feed them. Hey. Come on. Come see what Daddy got. What Daddy got? Hey, what Daddy got? Hey, what Daddy got for you? Hey. Come see. Hey. Come see. Oh, you want a wash? You want a wash? Wash your face. Wash that face. There's your mate over there. Go chase him off. Go chase him off. Go chase him off. You go chase him off.